Welcome to a market update for Loudoun County for August 2025. We're going to start with the whole county and then break down Ashburn into 20147 and 20148. Let's get started.
Loudoun County, we saw 501 new listings in July, which is up 1% month over month, also up 4.4% year over year.
We had 487 properties go under contract in July, which is down 7.6% month over month and up 5.2% year over year.
515 properties closed, which is down 0.8% month over month, but up 2.6% year over year.
The median sold price is $757,000, which is down 6% month over month, but up 1.4% year over year.
Average days on market for the entire county is 20.
And the average sold to original list price is 98.5%. So prices are dropping a little bit after they go under contract. Now let's go to 20147.
Now let's review what's happening in 20147 in Ashburn. We had 94 new listings, which is down 2.1% month over month, but up 27% year over year.
We had 85 properties go under contract, which is down 6.6% month over month, but up 9% year over year.
88 properties closed, which is up 2.3% month over month, and also up 10% year over year.
The median sold price was $677,490, which is down 14.4% month over month, and also down 1.1% year over year.
Average days on market is 20.
And the average sold to original list price ratio is 98.7%. So again, a little downturn that sellers are not getting their original list price.
In 20148, we had 88 new listings, which is up 8.6% month over month, but down 9.3% year over year.
We had 55 properties go under contract, which is down 40.2% month over month and down 27.6% year over year.
You can really see that summer slowdown.
Yes, definitely.
86 properties closed, which is flat month over month, but up 24.6% year over year.
The median sold price is $821,000, which is down 3.4% month over month and down 4.5% year over year.
Average days on market is 22.
And the average sold to original list price ratio is 98.3%. So the whole county on average is getting below their asking price. And we can see in the two zip codes it's the same, which it wasn't before, right? When we looked the month before, the county might have been getting less, but these two zip codes were still holding their list price and above. So
the stats also show you the summer slowdown and how it affects.
Yes. Yeah, July is typically a little bit slower. So hopefully things are going to be picking up for the next month. We are the McLoughlin and Sommer team, your trusted realtors in Loudoun County. Please reach out if we could help you sell your home.